Hey guys, welcome to Pepper's Grill and Chill. I'm Nick, and today we're going to be making some homemade salsa on the Blackstone. We got some Roma tomatoes, some onion, some habaneros, some fresh garlic, some serranos, and some jalapenos. Let's get this thing going. Guys, we're here at the Blackstone. We got it fired up. We got it set up for multiple zones. We got hot, medium, low, and off for a cool zone. So let's get everything on. Start off with our tomatoes. Get our jalapenos in there, serranos and habaneros, our onions. And then we found a trick the last time we did this with our garlic, because they're kind of tough to peel. So you can put them over low heat with the peel on there. The husk, kind of give them quick turns, and then they'll be real easy to peel after a minute. Well, those are warming up, son. We'll get some oil going on all these peppers and onions. And this one, that's sizzle. Go ahead and give one of these a try. Oh, nope, still needs a little bit more heat. Eventually all this is going to mix together. Oh yeah, peels right off. Real nice and easy. Go ahead and get all these peeled. The longer they're on there, the easier they are to peel. Alright, we'll just let those wait. Be back in a little bit. Alright everyone, this is all done, so we're going to get it all off. We're going to take it inside onto the blender. We're going to have some awesome salsa. Be right back. Alright everybody, we're back and we're going to go ahead and mix everything up for our salsa. So we'll start with all of our peppers and tomatoes. Just toss them in here. It's going to take up a lot of the space in the blender. Might actually even be too much. We're going to hold off on a couple of these tomatoes. Let's get all these peppers in there. Start blending. There we go. Got all our garlic and onions thrown in there. Cilantro and lime juice. Now we need some salt. You can just use regular salt if that's what you want, but we like this pink salt. It's real good. And fresh ground, in my opinion, is always better than the already ground up stuff. Alright, let's get these other tomatoes and peppers in there. And all of our juice. All that flavor. A little more salt. Alright, let's take a look, see, and a taste. See how we did. That is delicious. Really good. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I like to store them. We got these little jars on Amazon, and this will usually fill up like 4 of them. So what we like to do, actually put this back on to pour easier so I don't make a mess. But we'll put them in these jars. I usually put one right into the fridge, and the other ones will go into the freezer. And these things can stay in the freezer for about 2 or 3 months or so. They don't ever last that long for us. I think I'm making this salsa every 3 weeks or so. But go ahead and put the lid on. I usually put a label. And then in the freezer it goes, and we're good to go. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and continue putting this into these jars. If you like what we're doing, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, hit the notifications. And then if you have any suggestions, any comments or anything, throw them down there. Suggestions on what we should cook next, anything you'd like to see, just go ahead and put them down there. We'll see what we can do. Until next time, it's Pepper's Grill and Chill. I'm Nick. We'll see you.